Hello guys, if you are getting these too many requests, please try again later. Issue in Genshin Impact. I will be showing you 2 or 3 methods that you can try to solve this problem. So the first one would be to flush your DNS. To do that, go to open your command prompt, CMD, and then right click on it, run as administrator. So it will open up here, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to write ipconfig / and then flush the DNS. So after that you'll have to press enter, and you can see Windows IP configuration successfully flush DNS resolver cache. So after that you'll have to close this, and then you'll have to go to your start menu again, and then from here you'll have to go to your network settings, or you can go to control panel. So go to control panel, and then from here you'll go to network and internet, and then network and sharing center. So from here you'll see your internet connection. Mine is Ethernet, so if you're using a Wi-Fi it will show it here, so press on that. From here you'll have to go to properties, and then you'll see this IP version 4, so internet protocol version 4. So press on it and go to properties, and then you'll have to tick this, use the following DNS server addresses, and then write 88888844. So preferred would be 48 and alternate would be 8844, and press OK and save the setting, and try launching the game and see if the issue is there or not. So the next method would be to uninstall and reinstall the game. So to uninstall it, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to control panel, and you'll see this program and uninstall a program. So press uninstall a program and find your Genshin Impact here, and then press uninstall, and then reinstall it from the browser or the game app. So try this out, and hopefully you'll get your problem solved. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.